Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you probability. Okay, what do you understand by probability for class 10th? Okay, so probability is a possibility, that is a chance. Okay, according to the definition of probability, probability is the chance that something will happen. Okay, probability is denoted by PE. E for event. Okay, and PE equal to favorable number of outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Okay, probability always will lie between 0 and 1. Okay, all the times probability lie between 0 and 1. Clear? 0 that means impossible event and 1 is a possible or sure event. For example, in a class, okay, I wanted to take some student exam. Okay, that is a sub test. Okay, and all students will qualify the exam. It means ki I am saying ki 100% student will pass. That means the 100%, it means 100 of 100, that is a 1. Okay, and nobody will qualify the exam, it means will getting a 0. Okay, nothing is happen. Okay, so probability is always be lie between 0 and 1, that is a impossible event and possible event. Okay, and probability will happen and not happen, the sum is 1. Okay, P E plus P not E equal to 1. Clear? There are four types of problems will come in probability. One is coin, second one is dice, third one is ball, and fourth one is playing cards. Okay, so we will discuss about the problem. For example, in a coin there is a formula, that one is a 2 to the power n, where n is a number of toss, where number is n is the number of tosses. Okay, for example, a coin is tossed two times, then the sample space, it is denoted by capital S. It is denoted by H T. H and T are both are even for this sample space. Okay, when a coin is tossed one times. Okay, a coin is tossed two times, then the sample space will be HH, HT, TH and TT. Clear? There are four events. Why? Because 2 to the power 2, n is the number of tosses. Okay, a coin is tossed two times, it will be a number of tosses is 2, and the total number of outcomes is HH, HT, TH, TT. These are called favorable. These are called total number of outcomes, and favorable number of outcomes like this. If this type of problem will arise, find the if coin is tossed two times, find the probability to getting a one head, at least one head, or at most one head. Yeah, at most two head, at most three, at most two tail. Okay, like this, these types of problem will come in coin. Okay, is that clear? Now, second type of problem will dice. Okay, and the formula is 6 to the power n. Why? Because they are 6 event. They are 6 event, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, in a dice. Okay, so now the sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, when a die is rolled one time, these types of problem will come like a dice is rolled, find the probability to getting a prime number. So how many prime numbers are there? There are 2, 5, okay, 3, okay, 2, 3 and 5. These are the prime numbers. You have composite number, probability to getting a composite number. So which one is composite number? That is 4 and 6 are composite number, because the smallest composite number is 4. Okay, so probability to getting a prime number, it will be favorable number of outcomes is 3 and total number of outcomes is 6. So they are 3 by 6, that is a 1 by 2. Okay, so this type of problem will come. A die is rolled two times, then the total number of sample spaces 6 to the power 2, it means 36. Clear? So which one are 36? That is S 1 1 1 2. Okay, 1 6, like this, 2 1 2 2. Okay, 2 6. Okay, and this one like 6 1 6 2 and 6 3. Okay, and these are so on. Okay, so next one is ball problem. Okay, in this problem, for example, a die is rolled 2 times. Find the probability to getting a doublet. Okay, to doublet, like in a first rolled and second rolled, both numbers are same. That one is 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, and 6 6. Okay, these are called doublet, right? So these types of problem will come. Yeah, some is 5 7. Okay, like this will come. Next is playing cards. Next is ball. Okay, in a ball problem and playing cards, two types of problem will only remain. So ball, in a ball, for example, a bag having two types of ball, 4 red balls and 3 white balls. The total number of balls are 7. 4 plus 3, that is 7. These types of problem will come if I find the probability to getting a red ball when I pick up a one ball at random. Okay, so what is the probability to getting a one red ball? So it means curve number is 4 and total number is 7. Okay, find the probability getting a 2 red ball. So these types of problem will come in 12th class. Okay, and for which you will be studying about the set theory and permutation and combination. First of all, these types of problem, these types of chapter you will understood. Then you will solve these types of problem. But in a 10th class, only simple questions will arise, like a probability to getting a red ball, that is a 4/7, white ball, that is a 3/7. Okay, and not red ball, that is a 3/7. Okay, like this. Okay, and last one is that is a playing cards. That is a playing cards. There are 52 cards, in which these are divided into 26 and 26. Clear? 26 are black cards and 26 are red cards. Clear? 26 is also divided into 13, 13, 13 and 13. 13 are spade and these are club. These are heart and this is diamond. Okay, there are 13 cards, in which it is started from A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, K, Q, J. Okay, A for S, K for king, queen and jack. King, queen and jack, these are called face card. These are called face card. So these types of problem will arise. For example, in a playing cards, face, what is the probability to getting a face card? Okay, so 3 cards from spade, 3 cards from diamond, 3 cards from heart, 3 cards from club. Okay, so how many total number of face card? That is a 3 4 12, and total number is 52. 12 by 52. What is the probability to getting a black cards? So how many black cards are there? There are 26. It means 26 upon 52. Okay, so this is very simple questions. I hope you will understand this chapter. Okay, thank you very much.